out of service. Hazardous weather information available on flight service frequencies. Advise on initial contact, UF Golf.
Okay. Information Golf. Let's get it.
Savannah Airport Information Golf, 1653 Zulu. Wind 320 at 4, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 23, 2.9er, altimeter 3021.
3021.
Approaches to
That seems to
runways
check.
in use.
Welcome back.
Landing and departing runway 28 and runway 1. Land and hold short operations are in effect.
We're going to head down.
Notice airmen.
Head down to Melbourne, Florida. Just go visit a friend, have a good time. Forgive the fact that there's no headliner in the airplane. Still working on that. Right, that door's closed. We'll check it again later. Let's get clearance. Good afternoon, Savannah Clearance. Bonanza 8636 Mike, VFR request.
On clearance of the VFR request. One more time, please.
That was Bonanza 8636 Mike, type Bravo Echo 35 slant Golf. We'd like to depart Savannah and sort of final destination of Melbourne, Kilo Mike Lima Bravo at 6,500 VFR.
Bonanza 8636 Mike, roger. Maintain VFR at or below 3,000 until advised by departure. Departure frequency 120.4. Squawk 5560.
Okay, Bonanza 8636 Mike will maintain at or below 3,000 until advised on departure frequency 120.4, squawk 5560. 8636 Mike.
626 Mike, read back correct. And you said it was Melbourne, MLB?
Affirmative, MLB.
Roger, have a good day.
Good afternoon, Savannah Ground, Bonanza 8636 Mike, information Golf. Ready for taxi VFR departure. We're currently parked on the signature ramp.
November 8636 Mike, Savannah Ground, runway 1, taxi via Bravo, unless of course you would like 28.
1 via Bravo works for us, 8636 Mike. Yeah, it's relatively easy to get out of Savannah. You just got to talk to clearance. You've got to then talk to ground. Then eventually here we'll be talking to tower. Clearance will just give you exactly that, a clearance to depart the class Charlie. I'm just looking at this helicopter over here trying to avoid his rotor blast. Okay, he's moving nicely. So yeah, clearance, and then we get to talk to ground to figure out how to get to the runway. And then from there,
November 42, November cross runway 1 at Charlie.
we talk to
shelter.
tower. We have a very slight crosswind from the left on this takeoff. I'm going to do my run up here at the end. Looks like a beautiful day to go fly. Alright, switch over to tower. We're in their environment. That says Savannah Tower. And I will put 120.4 in the standby.
We're going to shelter, Zero Alpha.
0 Go Alpha, left turn taxiway Alpha, contact ground point 9, y'all take care.
Left on Alpha, contact ground. Thanks for your help, Zero Alpha.
Alright, EGTs and CHTs look good. Oil temperature is in the green. Fuel pressure is good. Cycle the prop.
There's about
a 300 RPM drop. Check the magnetos left. About 100 RPM drop right. Same drop back to both. Very good. Suction is in the green.
November 02 Bravo, none to respond. Traffic will be holding position, runway 1, Scott Hold.
And let's go back to idle. That's idle, everything's full forward. Right before takeoff checklist, trim is set. 3 degrees controls.
Runway 1, line up and wait.
Feel free.
Runway 1, line up and wait, 505, Juliet.
Very nice. Flaps are in fact 0. Prop is max RPM. Mixture is already set for best power, so that's full in. Aux fuel pump is off. Landing lights are as they are supposed to be. Rotating beacon, I just switched that on. Forgot that during my startup. Doors and windows. Let's double check that door is closed. Push out here. Push out there. Very much closed. Seatbelt is secured and brakes when we're ready. Savannah Tower, Bonanza 8636 Mike, holding short runway 1, ready for VFR departure.
8636 Mike, Savannah Tower, hold short runway 1.
Holding short 1, 8636 Mike. plan is a straight out departure. If anything goes wrong, we stop on the ground. If we don't like it, we just got wooded areas out ahead of us, so we'd have to put the airplane down in those wooded areas if we're below.
36 Mike, runway 1, line up and wait traffic, 4.5 mile final for runway 28 Challenger.
Line up and wait 1, 8636 Mike. So yeah, we'll go straight ahead unless we are above 1,000 feet, and we'll try some other option, maybe the river or something.
Thank you.
Alright, I see runway 1, we've been told to line up and wait. So that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Number 5 Charlie Golf, 1 departure, probably arrive off runway 1, Bonanza about to roll.
Roger that.
Okay, windows.
Bonanza 636 Mike, traffic in the upwind, half mile off, straight out, Skyhawk on departure, turn left heading 280, runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Alright, on departure, turn left 280, got traffic there in sight, 8636 Mike, cleared for takeoff, runway 1.
Number 5 Julia, contact departure.
Okay, here we go.
To departure, 505 Julia.
Number 5 Alpha Echo, exiting class Charlie, radar surface to terminate frequency, change of cruise, copy, park a day.
And stay on center line. Good RPMs. Good airspeed. Engine bars all match my expectations. And we are flying. Positive rate of climb, gear up.
Tower, Air 78 Bravo Alpha, right.
110.
Air 78 Bravo Alpha, Savannah Tower, runway 28, clear lane number 2, traffic mile final, Challenger, and use caution, that Challenger reported birds, 4.5 mile final, 1,500 feet, large flock.
Alright, we'll be looking for the birds. And
Engine instruments are looking good. Get into that gentle left turn now to 280. Okay.
930 down to 2,000.
Checking in from cruise. Throttle is set, prop is set, 2,500 RPM. Mixture is set, we're getting about 3.5 gallons per hour at our 75% power setting.
Papa Zulu has that traffic in sight.
Our flaps are now closed, instruments are looking pretty good. That upset level on the attitude indicator for this attitude in flight. And fuel tanks, we're just going to have to remember to swap. The Garmin will, the GTN 750 will tell me every like 45 minutes to swap, so we're burning off the right tank first. Not that it matters, but that was the lowest tank before takeoff. I know I have enough gas on the left tank to complete this entire flight. So, burning off the right side first, getting a little bit further down the road, and then we'll switch over to the left side. And that's the cruise checklist. Beautiful day to be doing this right now. Stay hydrated, my friends. So right now, the autopilot is on. It is flying the airplane, but I am managing the systems. I am checking engine performance, making sure my CHTs and EGTs look all about where I want it to be. Checking oil pressure periodically to make sure it's where I want it to be. I don't have oil pressure on the JPI.
November 594.
At least not yet.
Number 3020.
I'll try to stay ahead of the airplane. The next frequency I think I'm going to get is 12675.
November 36, Mike, contact Jacksonville Center 126.75.
Here we go. 2675, 8636 Mike. I just knew that from looking at the map on 4Flight. In an airplane like this, I'm always trying to think ahead of the airplane. Let's play the game of where's the nearest airport. Of course, Hinesville is just behind me. Brunswick is off to my, slightly to the right, and I can see it, I got Brunswick in sight. That would be my emergency option if we needed one. St. Simons is just off to my left, I've also got it in sight. So as I'm cruising along and the autopilot's handling the airplane, I'm playing that game. Where am I going to go if something goes wrong? Of course, if I can't make it there, There's a bunch of water under me right now. These airplanes are relatively safe if you go gear up and put it in the water. But anyone can be a pilot. It takes a special pilot to manage the systems and think about safety, think ahead of the airplane. So if you're not doing that, then start playing that game as you fly. Play the game with your passengers. They may not need to know that you're looking for emergency options, but tell them, hey, spot the nearest airport.
31 Romeo Fox.
Look out for traffic. Have them become a part of your crew. Sorry about that. We're just off the coast, I'd say approximately 12 miles to the north.
36 Mike, Roger. Just avoid the Packard Delta airspace. And where are you parking? You park on the north at Shelter.
We would like to go to FIT, please. 8636 Mike.
Mike, expect runway 9 right. Current wind 05012.
Expecting 9 right, 8636 Mike. So busy time now, we're coming down.
Flight 625, Melbourne ground, runway 5, taxi via Victor.
Gonna have runway 9 right for landing. Coming down to about 1,000 feet now, airport's in sight.
Bonanza 36 Mike, traffic for you, 11 o'clock, 3 miles northwestbound, climbing out of 3,800 to Seminole.
8636 Mike, traffic, sorry, we were looking for the traffic.
36 Mike, Roger. You can squawk VFR. I see you out there now on radar. 36 Mike, that traffic will be no factor. He's climbing out of 4,200 now.
36 Mike, thanks.
Left base, runway 9 right. Usually up there.
November 36 Mike, current wind 03014, runway 9 right, clear land.
Clear to land, 9 right, 8636 Mike.
If you list here, just follow that traffic, runway 9 right, clear land.
Autopilot's clicked off. Airport in sight. Will be 9 right. Crosswind from the left. Right, there's below gear speed. Gear is coming out. Hand's gonna stay on that handle until I see a green. I see green, I see down on the ground. Right, so gear is down. Lights are good. Autopilot is off. Make sure it's full.
There's a Bonanza and a Cirrus going to cross your final and land 9 right. Runway 9 left, cleared low approach unless you need a touch go.
Well, clear low approach and we'll be on the lookout for that Bonanza 355 over.
Right, seat 9 right.
Juliet Sierra, traffic 3 o'clock, 4 miles, they're inbound on the 9 left final, will be a twin Technum, you'll be well ahead of them.
2 Juliet Sierra.
Gear is down.
Melbourne,
Seatbelts are in.
625, holding short of
Brakes are checked. There's my landing checklist. I see a left, I see a right.
Tech flight 625, Melbourne Tower, runway 5, clear for takeoff, turn right on course.
Turn right on course, clear for takeoff, that flight 65.
Vertical 185, turn base 625.
So please request 9 right for 882 if possible.
Tech flight 882, cancel landing clearance to runway 5 and a right base, runway 9 or right.
Straight base 9 right, sorry about that, Tech flight 82.
Flight 882, report a 2 mile base.
Report 2 mile base, Tech flight 82.
Right, there's flap speeds. Flaps are moving. It is squirrely. Flaps are down. Switches back in the off position.
Tower 355 Uniform Sierra, can we actually get a stop and go? Is that possible? If not, we'll do a low approach.
Time Uniform Sierra, runway 9 left, clear to stop and go.
9 left, clear. Stop and go, 355 Uniform Sierra, thanks.
Right, flaps are out.
There'll be traffic up ahead of you.
Crosswind from the left.
Roger, we have that traffic side 355, beautiful zero.
Tech flight 882, you're following a Cirrus at your 1230 and 2 miles on the 9 right final. Twin Technums on the 9 left final. On my 9 right, clear to land.
9 right, clear to land, tech flight 82, and we'll follow that traffic in.
IFC 9 right. Whew. You've arrived. Not going to change anything until I get clear of the runway.
36 Mike, can you make November?
Yep, we're on November now, 8636 Mike.
36 Mike, you'll taxi November Alpha Victor to FIT. Are you familiar?
We're not familiar, but looks like a left here on Alpha and then a right on Victor, 8636 Mike.
36 Mike, that's correct. Once you're on Victor, you'll make a right turn at Victor 1. That'll take you into the transit line.
Right, perfect. Victor to Victor 1, 8636 Mike. Thanks for the help.
You stay with me.
We'll go.
How you doing?
What can we help you with?
I'll probably just be here for like a night or two.
Night or two?
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Thank you.
Well, we are here. And the airplane is in one piece. That is pretty much all we can ask for. Catch you guys in a little bit.